Reverse proxy and its uses. In computer network, a reverse proxy is a type of proxy server that retrieves resources on behalf of a client from one or more services. These resources are then returned to the client as though they originated from the proxy server itself, while a forward proxy acts as an intermediary for its associated client and return to them resource accessible on the internet. A reverse proxy acts as an intermediary for its associated server and only return resources provided by those associated server. Uses of reverse proxies. Reverse proxies can hide the existence and characteristics of an origin server or servers. Application firewall features can protect against common web-based attack. Without a reverse proxy, removing malware and initiating takedowns, for example, can become difficult. In the case of secure website, a web server may not perform SSL encryption itself, but instead offload the task to a reverse proxy that may be equipped with SSL acceleration hardware. A reverse proxy can distribute the load from incoming requests to several servers, with each server serving its own application area. In the case of reverse proxying in the neighborhood of web server, the reverse proxy may have to rewrite the URL in each incoming request in order to match the relevant internal location of the requested resource. Reverse proxy can reduce load on its origin server by catching static content as well as dynamic content known as WAP acceleration. Proxy catches of this sort can often satisfy a considerable number of website requests, greatly reducing the load on the origin server. A reverse proxy can optimize content by compressing it in order to speed up loading times. In a technique known as spoon feeding, a dynamic generated page can be produced all at once and served to the reverse proxy, which can then return it to the client a little bit at a time. The program that generates the page need not remain open, thus releasing server resources during the possibly extended time the client requires to complete the transfer. Reverse proxies can operate whenever multiple web servers must be accessible via single public IP address. The web server listen on different port in the same machine with the same local IP address, or possibly on different machine and different local IP addresses altogether. The reverse proxies analyze each incoming request and delivers it to the right server within the local area network. Reverse proxy can perform A upon B testing and multivariate testing without placing JavaScript tag or code into pages. Reverse proxy is also a concept used in search engine marketing to automatically instrument a destination website with usage tracking code that can be used for campaign reporting and campaign optimization. It is typically accepted as being bad practice. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.proxiesforrent.com.